Yo, I welcome you all to my new vlog, and as my face suggests, I have not gone to school today cause today is Ashtami and most of my friends were going for attending Durga Puja, and cause most of my friends were not coming, so I also didn't go. And it's somewhat, you can say, 9:40 of the morning, and at this time I am going to start for my NDA. Means the NDA 1 to 2026 exam will be held on, you can say, 20 or 15th of April, and it's September, or you can say it's 30th of September. And from today I am going to start my NDA preparation, and the first chapter which I am going to cover, means I have made a simple plan to cover the most, you can say, easy chapters first, means the probability, statistics, and so on, and after that I'll be doing my hard chapters. So first chapter which I am going to complete is probability, and I do have a very simple step for my preparation. Means I am just going to mark the questions from, you can say, they say from which teacher I am going to learn. I am simply going to mark the questions which he'll be making me learn in his video. Means you can say a simple tick, and after that I'll be going to practice them. For this book contains enormous of questions, so there is no dearth of questions for me to practice, and moreover this much questions are enough for probability. And if I would need any more questions, I can simply take printouts, and I am simply going to you can say simple points, and also the theory part, and also the important formulas I am going to write in my notebook, and after that I'll be practicing in the school notebooks which are extra. And of course these school notebooks are going to be last, because this is our last year of school, and also I am going to use the copies wisely and for my preparation of NDA maths. So let's start without any delay. And you can say I am going to simply study from the mobile, and the channel which I am going to study is Dreamers Exo Hub NDA, and he has just completed the probability 2 months before. Means he had made the students study for NDA 2 of 2025. So I am going to learn from that video only.
कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हैं। प्रोबेबिलिटी के अंदर जो वर्ड यूज होता है वो हमारा यूज होता है एक्सपेरिमेंट वर्ड, है ना। एक्सपेरिमेंट,
भाई देखो तुमको एक बहुत तगड़ी चीज दिखाता हूँ। मतलब बाहर का वेदर देखो, अभी अभी अक्टूबर है, कल 1 अक्टूबर और देखो, मतलब इस समय का मौसम कैसा हो रखा है भाई, एकदम पूरा अंधेरा हो चुका है। मोबाइल में तो फिर भी रोशनी लग रही होगी, पर इधर जो है अंधेरा हो रखा है, पूरा मोटी मोटी देखो बूंदे गिरने लग गई, मतलब बारिश शुरू हुई है। और आज जो है शायद से अष्टमी है ना, तो आज बारिश करवाई होगी भगवान ने तगड़ी वाली, तो बहुत तेज बारिश होगी भाई अभी थोड़ी देर में। मतलब देखो कितना काला हो रखा है आसमान। Okay, so guys, I have completed almost, you can say, means I had first studied my NDA maths, then I had studied you can say psychology, then I had made a simple mind map of my own of the first chapter, the end of bipolarity, because I had written it, or you can say gave it a revision 2 days before. So you can say I have done these 3 works from, you can say, 10 a.m. to now it is 3 p.m. and at 3:30 I have to go to attend my history classes. Yes, I am attending history classes and also political, cause my day was going quite boring because I was staying whole day in my home, and of course I was staying alone in my home with the mobile phone only, so my eyes were getting deteriorating and also I was feeling a little bit lonely, so I have started to attend, you can say, history and political classes, and moreover, I had gave a revision now, and moreover, after coming back from the history and political classes, I will be going for running. So at this time, I would like to show you my work. I have just completed the probability chapter, and as I had thought that I will only watch the videos and mark the questions, it didn't happen because the teacher was not explaining the questions which are in this book, means these are the previous year questions. But I now understand that after completing the 8 hours video, I will have to do these questions of my own, and also I have completed, you can see, a video of about 2 hours, and after that I was making a simple mind map, and you can see how I have made it, means I had just made a simple mind map of the end of bipolarity for myself, and I had shown it as a trick on YouTube to memorize things greatly, so I had just used the method. And now at this time the weather outside is no better, means it's still raining, so let's rest for a while, and after that I will be starting to get ready for my tuition classes. भाई देखो, जैसे कहा था वैसे ही हुआ, बहुत तेज बारिश शुरू हो गई है। अब देखो, आज ना ओले भी गिर रहेंगी, मोटी मोटी बूंदी हैं, तो अब देखते हैं कितनी देर तक होती है बारिश। मतलब सही है, ठंडा हो गया पूरा। Okay, so guys, quite a while ago I had gone for running, and the video is quite short, that's why I am just commentating. Today we have done a single 1 kilometer run, and after that 4 kilometer run, means totally we have run 5 kilometer today, and after that I had done exercise for my thighs and for my calves. So our today's running is over, and at this time I am going to study word meanings, means I am going to, you can say, do associative learning of the word meanings, and after that I will be reading my Ruskin Bond for enriching my vocabulary, and after that I will be, you can say, revising my chapter of psychology. So this is today's plan, and it is 8 p.m. of the evening. Today we had done, you can say, maths. Today we had done maths for NDA, English for NDA, and my psychology, and bipolarity means polity, and after that I had done, I had attended my tuition classes, and after that you can say I had, I am not getting the book, I had read the NCRT English book. So I am preparing well for my periodics, means the pre-board which are going to held in 1 month. So I want to score better this time, more than 65 plus. So this is my target for pre-board, so I am preparing well for it. And at this time right now I am ending the vlog right here, cause I will be not getting time enough to record, cause my father has come from his work and he works quite hard for us, so there will be time when I'll be repaying for his hard work, means I'll be repaying greatly to him there. So that's why I want to, you can say, prepare myself. So I was just thinking about it deeply, so I had just conveyed my message in the front of the camera. So I'll be preparing well for it. I hope you guys like today's video. If you liked it, kindly do a subscribe and also hit the like button, so that it enriches my motivation to upload the vlogs daily. If you like this video, kindly leave a cute comment, or you can say a motivating comment. By the way, I am ending this video right here. Goodbye.
Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.